This is a boat someone just dropped off, didn't stop, in the middle of my back parking lot. The owner paid someone to drop it off here. He's been working on it and couldn't get it to run. And so I said, hey, let's see what's going on. I said, what about the gas? He said he put his other tank on there to make it run. And I said, well, you didn't check the gas in the tank. Look at that tank right there. That's what I call BS. Pardon my aggravation here, but leave it in the middle of my parking lot like this, it just really got me to begin with. So anyway, so I said, what about a sample with the gas? And I just pumped one pump, and that's water. So let's watch the rest of it. See any gas in there? It's all water. Basic Mechanics 101. Check the fuel.